super excited. We have our CRAFTSMAN Toolbox 26 S Series 2000 unboxing today for my garage renovation. We got the black NIOR color, and we're going to unbox and assemble for you guys to see. Just to get a close-up of the box, we got the 26.5 wide black 5-drawer bottom, and then here we got the same one, the 26-inch 4-drawer black top with outlets USB and USB-C. Let's open her up. I'm really impressed with the wheels on this toolbox. They are big and they just look like they're built to last. Really nice. .3/8 socket. One thing to note is one of these wheels is a standard non-twisting wheel and one of them twists. So you're going to want to put both of the twisting wheels on the same side and both of the locked wheels on the same side. That way your box can steer and it'll just work out better that way. Now just go back through, make sure all your bolts are tight. If I were to do this again, I'd probably add blue thread Loctite onto each bolt. Super nice top, rolls really easy. You got your handle. You have locking drawers, and the drawers do come with the liners in each. Each drawer comes with its own liner. Soft close. So if I slam this thing shut, soft close. The S2000 series, proudly made in the USA. I think that is awesome. Up to 1,500 pounds of weight, which I'll never be able to put in there. 100 pounds per drawer load, and then up to 15,848 cubic inches of storage. Super good quality. The top and bottom come with the drawer liners. Nice CRAFTSMAN top. For the handle, it's just going to be Phillips screws. As a side note, you're going to want to remove this piece of plastic on your unlock and lock button when you set up. This toolbox comes loaded with 6 plug-in ports, a USB port, and even a USB-C port mounted in the top of the box. This is going to be awesome for charging all of my power tools. I love that it shows the logo on the top back. It just makes it look real good when it's nice and open, and I just love this black slick look. It does come with locks or brakes for your wheels if you don't want it to move front and back, just on these top two. CRAFTSMAN, if you're watching, what should I test next?